There are moments in your day when something so small stops you in your tracks, and for a second, your heart just remembers Allah. A breeze that arrives at the exact right time. A stranger's kindness that came out of nowhere. A verse that hits differently today than it did yesterday. None of that is random. That's design. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because these signs are going to change the way you look at your entire life. Look up. The sky above you has never once collapsed, never glitched, never taken a single day off in thousands of years. The sun doesn't arrive late. The moon doesn't skip a phase. The seasons don't forget their turn. Allah says in the Quran that in the creation of the heavens and the earth lie signs for those who reflect. Scientists spend entire careers just trying to describe this order, not create it. Just describe what's already there. This isn't luck holding the universe together. It's control. Precise, deliberate, unshaken control. And once that truth sinks into your heart, you stop looking at the sky the same way ever again. Now bring it closer to you, your own body. A heart that has never once asked your permission to keep beating. Lungs that breathe for you while you sleep, while you dream, while you forget they even exist. Trillions of cells coordinating a symphony you didn't write, don't control, and barely understand. Your eyes turn light into meaning. Your brain stores memories from decades ago, like they happened yesterday. No lab on Earth has built anything close to this. No engineer could design a system this self-sustaining. You are walking, breathing, proof, every single second, that something greater built you on purpose, with intention, with care. Think back to your darkest chapter, the one where you genuinely believed there was no way out, where you'd run out of options, out of people to call, out of hope. And then, somehow, a door opened. A call came at the exact right moment. A stranger helped you for no reason at all. An answer arrived from a direction you never even considered. That wasn't coincidence rescuing you. That was Allah moving quietly behind the scenes of your life, proving He was never absent, not even in the moment it felt like He was furthest away. You can own everything this world offers: status, wealth, endless pleasure, and still lie awake feeling hollow inside. But drop into sujood. Whisper a dua in the dark. Recite one verse with real presence, and something settles inside you that money never touched, achievement never touched, applause never touched. That stillness isn't a coincidence. That's your soul, recognizing the one it was created for. You can chase an opportunity with everything you've got and still watch it slip away. Then, something greater lands in your lap from a direction you never planned for. That's Allah rewriting your effort into His timing. Your risk was already written before your first breath. Nothing can catch what wasn't meant for you, and nothing can lose what was. 5 signs, hidden in plain sight, every single day in the sky, in your heartbeat, in the doors that open when you least expect it. The only thing missing was your attention. Tell me in the comments, which of these signs did you feel the most? I want to hear your story. If this moved you, send it to someone whose Iman needs lifting. Allah Hafiz.